What alligators need to live. Shelter space. Alligators build dens when it's cold out or when it is very dry. In winter, they also dig holes to keep warm. Food. They usually eat only once a week. They eat mammals, fish, snakes, and birds. Young alligators eat fish, insects, snails, and worms. They find food by lurking. Only their eyes and nostrils are above the water. Water. Alligators tip their heads up to catch rainwater. Habitat. Alligators live in the southeast part of the United States and China. They live in freshwater lakes, rivers, swamps, and wetlands. Air. Alligators breathe in air through their lungs. Now you know all about what alligators need to live.